Hey beauty bears, Waah Gwaan, welcome back to another video on my channel. How are y'all doing? So for today's video, I asked on my Instagram. If you have not yet followed me on Instagram, please go and follow me on Instagram at BareBeauty.Services so you can be a part of the decision making when I'm doing my nails for you guys. So I asked on my Instagram like what acrylic color or what color you want to see me do next, and I gave them the options between orange and purple, and majority chose purple, so that's what I'm doing today. So if this is your very first time here on my channel, hi, welcome to Bare Beauty. Thank you guys so very much for tuning in. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet already subscribed, and also follow me on Instagram as I have mentioned before. That's the Bare Beauty Services, and also remember to tap the bell so you get notified each and every time I upload, because I upload twice a week every week, and I'll have bonus videos here and there, so you don't want to miss videos being uploaded. And I don't have a designated time to posting, so ensure that your notifications turn on. But I'm not appreciating if you don't want to subscribe or tap that bell, that's quite fine. You do it on your own time. So yes, so I'll be sculpting on nails. I mentioned in a few videos, and I think I feel obligated to say it in all my videos, like I really did not like sculpted forms, but couple of years later, this is what we're doing. So the acrylic that I'll be using for this video is this is a customized color that I made, and I'll be using a color from Mia Secret also. I didn't really like the turnout of these two colors due to the fact that it was a little bit dark. It was giving me too much of a dark vibe, and I wanted a little more summery in my life. So I decided to kind of mix up things, like put glitters and pink, and try to kind of lighten the nails. But I like them at the end of the day. They're pretty cute nails. Cute nails. So I won't be talking excessively in this video, but if you want to be a part of the decision making on my Instagram or for my videos to come, you can follow me on Instagram when you see me post, and you can suggest other videos here on my channel. So I'll be doing the regular ombre style, nothing too drastic. Just me doing a different way of ombreing, using different colors rather to ombre. So that was it. For the pinky finger, it was glitter, straight glitters. That was about it. I think this was a really cute set, and I do like it. So if you guys have not yet followed me on Instagram, I'm going to repeat it again. Go ahead and follow me at Bare Beauty Services. Also subscribe to my channel if you have not yet, and I'm appreciating. If you don't want to subscribe but you still watch my videos, that's fine, sis, that's fine. And also, if you subscribe, I'll ensure that the bell is tapped so you get notified each and every time I upload. Oh, and just before I forget, I mentioned in my recent video that I posted recently that I wanted to kind of advise new nail techs who are coming in the game. I mean, I need to give you a backstory on how I started out doing nails, or the love came about. So my profession is a beauty therapist. I'm a therapist, beauty therapist, so I do everything. I'm also a sister locks consultant, so I basically do everything. So I'll do facial, nails, hair, skincare, nail care, and hair care basically. So but the reason why I went into this field is because I felt like people can be pretty, or people are pretty, and I can enhance that, whether it's on your nails, your face, your hair, anywhere that I could get the chance to enhance your beauty, I was up to doing it. So I mean, what I'm saying probably does not make any sense, but so how the industry works here, I mean, it may not be it may not be the same for other persons. Is that once you're out of beauty school and you're looking for jobs, it's very hard, and it's a fight out mentality that some of us do have. Some of them do, majority of them don't have, but some of that is in the beauty industry, and we're going to come across it sometimes. But it was very hard for me to get any jobs, so I decided that I will be a sister locks consultant. I'm doing that now, and I decided that I didn't want to lose my skill, and I really did like doing nails. was looking, when I was in beauty school, I looked forward to going to my nail classes because it was fun. It allowed you to express on the nails, and I like that, even though I was not that great, and I'm still not that great right now, but I am reaching to that point. So I decided that I didn't want to lose any of my skills really. I had the stuff for this. I basically had the stuff for everything, but the equipment I don't have. But I have, the stuff for doing nails. So I decided, okay, all right, this is one thing that I'm sure that I'm not going to lose. So this is how I started out doing videos on YouTube. Because YouTube was a force for me to, get better at doing nails. It wasn't really going on YouTube to make money. That was never my goal. My goal was to kind of push me to make become better at whatever I wanted to do, because I really like nails, as I explained a while ago. I genuinely really like nails, and I wanted to become better at it, and YouTube was a push for me. So yeah, so my advice to y'all is that don't let not having a client or somebody to do practice on. This is how I learned. And at one point in my life, I stopped completely doing nails or anything within my field. I completely stopped it because I didn't have anybody to practice on. But I was like, this doesn't make sense. I have myself here, why not practice on myself? So every video that you see on my channel here is with my hands, and you can see, if you go throughout my whole entire channel, you will see that the progress is getting better. So make yourself your practice. Don't wait on for anybody to to practice on yourself. Cut up yourself, practice on yourself. You'll become perfect. And see, when you go on an actual real life paying mannequin paying client, you won't feel not confident. Trust and believe me. I thought that practicing on myself would not gain me anything, but really guys, everybody wants me to do them nails. No brag, everybody wants to do everybody wants me to do their nails. But yes guys, that's my advice for this video. Practice on yourself. Don't make not having a client or not having somebody to not be able to practice on yourself. Or if you want to buy a hand and practice on that, there's a lot of places that do self-practice on, and just work and get your practice on. Just get it on. Just get it on. Don't bother say, not stereotyping, procrastinating. Oh, I will do it today and not get it done. Start. You don't have to start long. Start short. You'll get it. Trust and believe me, sis. Trust and believe me. So that's the advice for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends if you think this is informative. Follow me on Instagram at BareBeauty Services, and also remember to tap the bell so you get notified each and every time I upload, because I upload twice a week, every week. And yes, this is the end of the video. I'll be top coating, and then a little later I'll show you the reveal of these nails. They're very cute. Very cute nails. So guys, I'll see you in the next video.